Hello, we are here at AI Expo Europe 2025 and we're talking to Radu Ionescu. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hello, nice to be here. Yes, I'm professor at the University of Bucharest, where I'm teaching machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision. And I'm also a startup co-founder. I co-founded SecurifAI, a startup that analyzes video streams with AI systems and tries to provide effective solutions for retail, industry, and so on.
You've had quite a few publications in AI research, and we were wondering what's one breakthrough or area that you're most excited about right now?
Yeah, I'm not sure if I have only one. So I had some recent research done on video anomaly detection, which is also related to what we're doing at the company. So maybe one of the most recent works that I was excited about was how to scale this task on multiple video streams. So in research, for example, there were some approaches that were trying to analyze video streams in real time with one GPU, but in real life, if you want to deploy a system to analyze video streams and detect abnormal events, like, I don't know, fires or people fighting or car accidents. Well, you cannot use, if you have 100 video streams for a small city, you cannot use 100 GPUs because it's not cost effective. So one solution that we created was to make a very effective model and time efficient that can process like over 60 video streams in real time, and this was a really big leap from what was done in research previously. Other than that, we're also working on generative AI with diffusion models. We're also get interest in curriculum learning, which is a framework that aims to train neural models from easy to hard, just as humans learn in I don't know, primary school and high school and so on. They learn more complex concepts. We focus on training models on these gradual concepts. So it seems to be more effective, but it's not well studied, I think, in literature.
So, as both a professor and a startup co founder, how do you bridge the gap between academic research and real world AI applications?
Yeah, so I kind of hinted to it a bit earlier. So in academic research, we focus on novel methods and also getting good results that can be in terms of accuracy and model efficiency and speed. In practice, you can find like additional things that you need to address. When you deploy a system, you need to make sure it is, I don't know, compatible with certain hardware. It is scalable to multiple video streams. You need to retrain it because new samples can appear and new situations can appear along the way. While in academia, you're kind of constrained to maybe using some data sets and that's it. So it's a bit more challenging, but you also see the practical application of AI. From my point of view, academia, just doing research, you don't feel the application so much, although it's an applicative domain. In industry, you really see it deployed in place and does something good for the society.
How do you see AI transforming the way universities teach and how they prepare future professionals?
Yeah, so it's already started. So because inherently students started to use ChatGPT and all these open source models that are now available, professors also seem to use it. I don't use it in my lectures, and I'm trying to tell the students that they need to focus on learning, and if I give them a task like make a project, the goal is not maybe to fulfill the task in the shortest time, but the goal is to learn through that process. So I tell them that the objective is that of learning, and in this situation, for example, they are not to use LLMs or any AI to solve their task on their behalf. On the other hand, I'm also trying to change my evaluation methods because, for example, if I just ask them to write some code and if I just run the code without asking them how did they wrote the code and so on, they could just pass without some code generated by an LLM. So the goal is having students learn something from the process, from going to university and taking courses, So this is what we should aim, and this is towards this goal we should change also how universities teach and how they evaluate students in the end.
How did you feel on the stage and being here at AI Expo Europe 2025?
Yeah, I saw a mixed population, let's say. So I see people also from the industry, some colleagues of mine from academia, some experts from the industry, but also people that maybe are just interested to find about the latest news in AI. So it's a interesting conference where we can popularize AI and maybe make people less afraid of using AI in the end. Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here and for this interview.
Thank you as well.